This is just a quick video of a project we're getting done around the house that I found interesting, so I make a video about it. We're getting some land forestry mulched. Basically, it's this big bobcat with this big saw that eats the trees. Pretty interesting. So I took some drone footage. I'll show you some clips, show you the before and after, and I think it's way better than old-fashioned hand saw or chainsaw. So this is the first section that he did, and as you can see, I mean, it grinds it up into pretty fine mulch. So, and should be pretty easy to get up, rake it up slowly, or you just let it, rot and turn into dirt. So, pretty happy with it. We're with some carports, maybe a garage built back here. I'll show you some more clips of the tractor working. That's all for this. Alright, so after the forestry mulching was done, I rented this mini excavator from Home Depot. It's like 250 bucks for a day, so it wasn't a bad deal. Had some water issues from around the back of the house, so we're creating this ditch and putting some pipe in it to run under what will be our future carport, and hopefully that'll solve our water issue. Planted some grass. We're gonna make the ditch look nice. And here's a clip now that we can see down in the woods. You can see there's a bear walking across. I saw this when I was outside planting some grass. It was a pretty cool sight to see now that you can see down in the woods. It's kind of a before and after picture of what our gravel looks like now that we have a place for a carport. It's going to be about a 30-foot wide, so we'll be able to park 3 vehicles. Should be very nice once it's all said and done. And from this shot you can see how much it actually opened up the front view of the house. There's no underbrush. It's all ground up into mulch. We can see all the way clearly down to the creek. It just really makes it look nice when you're entering the driveway. I highly recommend Southern Creations Landscaping and Forestry Mulching. You can find him on Facebook. He did a great job. Very reasonably priced. I'll pop up the before and after pictures of what we had cleared. But it was great. And then if you keep watching, I actually clipped the power line with the old drone right there. But the DJI Spark, at least it stayed in the air and kept flying. But I really appreciate y'all watching. I think the project's going along great. It's going to make the house look better. It's going to help with our drainage problems. But like and subscribe. This is just kind of a random video that I thought was interesting, and we wanted to give you an update so you could kind of see what it's about, because you don't see it every day. The way the forestry mulcher works and what you're able to do with it. It's a pretty unique machine. But thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe, and we'll be back soon with some more content. Thanks, guys.